Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I will show you how we can add another account to Google Play Store. At first you have to simply tap on the Play Store, then tap on the right upper corner, click to add another account. Use your verification method. In my case it's fingerprint sensor. Right now you have to tap on the poll and input your new account email. Right now we have to click next and input your password. When you input your password, you have to click next in the right bottom corner. Click agree. You can save or not save your password, you have to decide. And after a few moments, when you tap on the right upper corner, you can find that you are already logged in with 2 accounts and you can easily switch between them. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.